I never thought creating digital products from my couch would turn into a $1 million business, but that's exactly what happened, and I'm going to show you how you can do it too. I used to be a 4th grade teacher, standing in front of 25 kids every day, trying to keep things together with lesson plans in one hand and coffee in the other, while working on The Savvy Couple as a side hustle to pay off my student loan debt. And while using Canva back in 2016, I was using it for just like basic graphic design for our website, and then I had a light bulb moment. What if I could use Canva to create something useful like a printable budget sheet? So I made it, I put it on our site, and I emailed it out to our list, and we made sales. And not just a few sales, hundreds of copies of our budgeting binder sold on that very first day. And it was just like the ultimate proof of concept. So from there, I created a debt payoff planner, a meal planner, a cleaning binder, camping planner, travel planner, all the planners that you could basically think of. Anything that helped solve a problem that I personally had as a mom, I created a solution for it. So fast forward a few years and over $1 million in digital product sales, all from home with Canva. But here's the thing, that you don't need to do exactly what I did, because Canva can be used in so many different creative ways to make money. So today I'm going to show you 7 powerful ways that you can start making money with Canva, even if you're not a designer or tech savvy at all, because I am neither of those two things. So let's dive in. All right, in each of these 7 different ways that you can make money with Canva, I'm going to go over what it is, how Canva helps, and some real world examples and a quick action step to help you get started. All right, so number 1 is to sell printables on Etsy, and this is how I would get started. Think about planners, habit trackers, chore charts, wall art, invitations, nursery items, digital files that people download and print at home. And Canva makes it super easy. So start with a free template, drag and drop the elements, add some of your own personality, and export it as a PDF. My first budget planner sells every single day, and my sister-in-law just launched her own Etsy shop using the ePrintables course and had a 30 sale day. So a starter tip is definitely to use ePrintables, I'm going to link it below, and to learn keyword research and learn how to rank your products so that you can start getting in those sales passively. Number 2, digital product templates. Think of social media kits, media kits, resume templates, wedding bundles. Canva makes it really easy to create and sell templates that people can edit themselves. You can sell them on Etsy, Stan Store, Shopify, Thrivecart. There's a lot of different options here of different platforms that you can sell these in. And a pro tip for this is to include a how-to guide with your template so customers feel confident using them. That is key. Once they have that success and you can pair those two things together, is you're going to have amazing sales. So choose a niche, maybe like real estate agents, new moms, brides. Find a little niche and create your first 3 template bundle. Number 3 is affiliate marketing using Canva, and this one is almost passive. So if you're using Canva tips and sharing your printable business journey along the way as you're showing your printables, just link the Canva Pro using the affiliate program, and you're going to earn commission every single time someone clicks on that link and signs up. So in my experience, I talk about Canva all the time and earn commissions every single month, and that is free passive money for not really having to do much. And a starter tip for this one is film a free tutorial how to make a teacher planner in Canva, and then add your affiliate link to the bottom below and have people click that link to earn some affiliate income. Number 4, sell brand kits or logos. Businesses, especially local ones around you, they desperately need help with branding. So with Canva's AI tools like Magic Design and Brand Hub, you can create beautiful brand kits without being a pro designer. So you could offer logos, fonts, colors, social media templates, anywhere between like $47 and $57. And then a pro tip to start out here is to DM like 5 businesses that don't really have any branding at all, and say like, hey, I created a free logo concept for you. Do you want to see it? And that can be your window into offering your products and services. So that's a great idea. Number 5, Instagram and Pinterest theme pages. Like faceless theme pages and content are just like crushing it right now. So use Canva to create like a cohesive aesthetic and repost viral content in a niche like skiing or minimal decor, productivity, and monetize with things like affiliate links and your own digital products, sponsored posts. All right, so an action step for this one is to just like choose a niche and pick like 3 viral style reels for your Canva graphics and add a bio link to an affiliate product. All right, number 6 is YouTube thumbnails and social graphics. Every content creator needs thumbnails and pins and carousels. And Canva has amazing templates that make this fast and a profitable service. So a quick side hustle idea is offer 5 thumbnails for $50 on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or just create your own faceless channel. And your action step is to create a thumbnail portfolio using Canva and post it on your site or social profile. And number 7 is to teach Canva. So coaching, courses, workshops, think about things like that. So if you know how to use Canva, or even if it's just the basics, you can teach other people how to start using it. You can start by offering just like one-to-one coaching. You could create a mini course on Canva. You could even create a mini course on like a niche of something on Canva if you wanted to get even more specific. Hosting a workshop in a Facebook group, that's a great idea to get started, just to get like seeing what other people need and what they're asking for. You can use that to help create some new ideas going forward. A starter tip for this one is to create a Canva quick start guide PDF and use it to build your email list. All right, I really need you to comment below. Let me know which of these 7 Canva side hustles do you want to try first, or do you already have one started? Let me know down in the comments. All right, I want to go over 3 Canva features that literally changed everything. So these have made everything easier. And the first thing is templates. I use templates for everything. Meal planners, social media posts, workbooks, you name it. It saves you hours, and it is such a amazing addition that they've added. The second one is brand kits, because consistency is everything, from your fonts to your colors to your logos. Everything's ready to go, and everything is just like branded perfectly. All right, number 3 is smart mockups and magic resize. You can have instant product images and social posts in any format. It's amazing. And the pro tip here is that you can organize your Canva workspace into folders for each of your products, and this becomes your system and your go-to. Okay, now let's talk about how to go from $100 in sales to $10,000 in sales. And my first tip for you is to start ugly. Your first product doesn't need to be perfect. Just publish it and then tweak it later. We got in such a rhythm of pumping out the planners when we saw that first proof of concept that, of course, we're only human, is that we had spelling errors in a couple pages just because we're going so fast, and working at night, everything just looks the same. So people are saying, hey, just let you know, we found an error on this page, so go back, obviously tweak it, fix it, resave it as a PDF, all that loveliness, and fix it on everywhere it's located. But those things are going to happen, and you just want to start ugly and just start getting your products out there. The second tip is to build an email list, because you're going to want people to sell your items too. So first you want that freebie, that lead magnet to grow your list on day 1. So email is where most of your sales are going to come from. Number 3 is to learn keywords, SEO on Etsy, blog posts, Pinterest. You want that evergreen traffic and those sales coming in, and you want this through having those keywords. Number 4, test and tweak. So if you have a product that flops, don't give up. Just try a new one and use that data as the guide to help you along the way and notice what's selling and go back and focus on those. And if you had a flop, then just pivot. All right, number 5 is to stack offers. So once you have like 3 to 5 products, you can start to bundle them together. We do this inside my own community. They get a meal planner, they get a challenge calendar, they get monthly giveaway. So you can start using that to bundle together for that offer. And my pro tip to go from $100 to $10,000 is don't do it alone. I followed ePrintables and I use their roadmap, and it is a huge shortcut. If you take away one thing from this video, let it be this. You don't have to be a designer, you don't have to be no tech expert, or even have like a huge audience. All you need is a tool like Canva and the willingness to start. And if a former 4th grade teacher and a busy mom can do this while homeschooling and raising a family, so can you. And now that we've built our business that runs on autopilot, we still make hundreds per day, and some days it's even more, while I focus on my kids. And that is what freedom is for us. And you can create it too. All right, want to get started? Check out the description. There is the ePrintables course on how to sell on Etsy. The second one is the Savvy Couple. That's our Freedom Builders, and that's going to give you your roadmap to your first 1K online. Canva, of course, they have their templates and tools that we use every single day. Now you know how I turned Canva into a $1 million business, but the real secret to consistent daily income is choosing the right products, and that's why I actually put together a list of the 15 best-selling digital products that make money every single day, and I break each one of them down in detail on what they are, who they're for, and how to get started fast. So you can check out the video, and I'll also put it in the link down below to watch that now, and trust me, you don't want to miss number 3 on that list. It surprised me too.